Okay, we are at 1693 South Alcott Street in Denver. Today is September 16, 2025 at 2:42 p.m. We're checking this main sewer line from the basement. The camera right now is at the main city tap connection. There's the city tap connection, looks good. We have a plastic with transition to cast iron. The line looks in good working conditions, good flowing. All right, let's check it out. City tap connection. There is the plastic pipe. We have a SDR plastic. Transition to a schedule 40, we still have it plastic. Transition to PVC, we still have in plastic in the line. There's good line. We have here transition cast iron to PVC plastic. Good transition. Cast iron looks pretty decent. No cracks, no bellies. All right, thank you for watching.